Hey third graders, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 5. I want to make sure that you watched the video that I linked here on this slide. Please watch that video and kind of go along with that teacher in the video because she's going to explain how to do the math. And again, you don't have to do the problem set on the Google Slides. You can do it on your own piece of paper, or you can print it off. If you have a printer at home, you can click here and you'll be able to print it off there. I just kind of want to show you what to do if you do want to type it in. So let's look at number 1. I did the first one for you. You're filling in the table. So you look at the picture, the first column, or well, technically the second column, the first column you have to type in, ask for the total number of equal parts. There's 2, 1, 2. The total number of equal parts shaded in. This one has 1 shaded in. We would call this fraction 1/2 in unit form. It looks like this, 1 with the word half typed in. And then over here, fraction form 1, then you're going to hit the slash bar, which is the same key as the question mark on your keyboard, and then a 2, so 1/2. So you're going to do that for B and C. Again, you're going to move your cursor so it looks like the capital letter I. You're going to click it 3 times. Oops, there you go. And then you can type in. So this one, how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. So you would hit the 3. Again, if you mess up, you can just come over here and hit that back arrow. You're going to do the same thing on slide 6. Although the headings for the columns are not there, it's the same as over there. So again, up here, this would be the total number of equal parts. So you make your cursor look like an I and click 3 times. So this picture has 5 equal parts. The second column is how many of those parts are shaded. This one has 1 part shaded. This one is unit form. So it's 1/5. Remember, think of the grades, what grade you'd be in when there are 5 grades, you're in 5th grade. And then over here, your fraction form will be 1/5. And I'm actually going to leave that one done for you. For number 2, 3, and 4, they're word problems when it comes to fractions. So you're going to you're going to read the problem. And then you're going to answer the question in the text box. So this one, they just want to know, did he correctly cut this into eighths for him and his 7 friends? Because he needs 8 pieces. So you're going to say, yes, he did correctly cut it into eighths, or no, he did not. Number 3, don't do number 3 until you've done number 2 because they go together. This one says two of Andre's friends came late to the party. So we knew that there were 7 friends plus Andre here, so there were 8 people. Now 2 more came. So keep that in mind when you're answering number 3. For number 3, it asks you to show the fraction on this middle rectangle. And again, you can either draw that on a piece of paper, it might be easier, or if you want to try the line tool, it's right up here. You can click it. And then notice my cursor looks like a plus sign now. So I might do 1 horizontal line across. And then I'm going to click it again. And then I might do 4 lines going down, which should give me 5 parts. Okay, so try that if you want, or just draw it on a piece of paper, no big deal. And if you make a mistake, that back arrow does wonders. Oh, and don't forget on number 3 to answer this question over here. And I gave you that reminder that there are now 10 people. And for number 9, Andre thinks it's strange that 1/10 of the cake is less than 1/8 because 10 is bigger than 8. This is a big mistake that 3rd graders make. So I showed you what 1/8 looks like and what 1/10 looks like. And you need to just answer the question over here. Which slice is bigger and why? So look at that green part. Which green part is bigger? Don't think about the numbers. Look at the picture. Let me know if you have any questions.